Okay, say it again. This. There's water, standing water on each side of the road, and it's hard to tell because the leaves are covering the water. It's not deep. So we've gotten a lot of rain this year. This is where the glaciers did a lot of the eroding and the moving here. That's why we have a lot of draws and valleys. Some big cottonwoods there. You never quite get away from the traffic noise, but this is still pretty nice to have. I think there's a stop by the river up here.
It's so far.
Yeah, your bike's not as efficient as mine.
No.
This has got to be, well, I know it is. This is the most extensive section of bridge on the trail. Hello. Should I have told them you're on YouTube? Pretty neat, huh? You've never been on this section, have you? They're selling a lot of those electric bikes. And another old train trestle. Not very much if that train trestle is used anymore. This is a really neat people bridge. We've got rain coming at 5 or 6 o'clock this evening. So this is the hot air leaving and the cold air coming in. If you're on the lake today trying to sail, you're getting knocked down. Still out of the south, so you've got some protection if you're staying in a little closer, but still you'll get hit with these gusts, and you've got to have reduced sail. That's a water treatment plant up here. I don't know what that is up there, but there's always pumps running. And there's the old railroad trestle. And when I say old, I mean old. 1906 that was built, 760 foot wide. There was a flood in 1969, washed out part of the tracks, and it's been closed. It goes further than this, but we'll probably turn around in just a little bit. That's Interstate 90 up above. And I think this is the last bridge we'll go over today. Hi. Hi. Hello. People on this end. And here we come out into one of the metro parks. And I think this is Interstate 80 and 90 that's up in front of us. And it has a switchback, a set of switchbacks that take you up out of the park. No, that's 90. And it takes you up out of the park and back onto a asphalt strip that runs alongside the Ford Road. And that's supposed to connect all the way out to Elyria, to Cascade Park, and then to go further south from there. They've been working on this for years. Right up here a ways is where we put the kayaks in when there's high water in the spring, and we go all the way down to where I put the trimaran in the water, and we can take out there or take out other areas.
One second, please. What?
Nothing. Nice reds down in here.
Oh, yes, it is. Wow.
But I haven't seen the super, super bright yellows that I used to see when I was young.
Oh, look at the leaves. It's running.
Oh, you missed because you were turning around, but there was a little dust devil, leaf devil going on over there.
Come to me.
Now this is a thermal. You notice the wind is coming from the west, and it's been blowing from the east and the south, so there's a thermal lifting off right now. Okay. That nice gust comes through after that thermal. There's a little. It's hard to catch because it's just gusty when it does it. Here they come. They're coming to get you. Like grasshoppers. Here they come.
Oh, come on. Come. Oh, it's coming.
folks. That was probably a 25, 30 mile an hour gust. I think we finally got that one. I don't know if the camera can catch it.
I'm not sure.
Man, that was blowing the leaves.
Yeah, it's so fast. You're right. It's so hard to catch.
But you got that one.
I'm not sure.